using Carbide burr tools to drill decorative holes into Halloween pumpkins. Carbide burr tools are an excellent choice for creating intricate and eye-catching designs on Halloween pumpkins, particularly when you want to craft decorative hole patterns for a starry or perforated effect. These versatile high-performance tools allow you to achieve precision and creativity, elevating your pumpkin carving game to a whole new level. Below, I'll explain in detail how to use small, round carbide burrs to drill patterns into pumpkins, enhancing their glow and creating stunning visual effects when illuminated. Why choose carbide burr tools for pumpkin carving? Carbide burrs are rotary cutting tools made from tungsten carbide, a material known for its durability, sharpness, and ability to cut through a variety of materials with ease. When used for pumpkin carving, they offer several advantages: precision and control. Small, round carbide burrs, such as ball-shaped or spherical burrs, allow for precise drilling, enabling you to create clean, uniform holes of varying sizes. This precision is key for intricate patterns like stars, constellations, or abstract perforated designs. Versatility. Carbide burrs come in different shapes and sizes, but the small, round ones are particularly ideal for creating decorative holes. You can choose the size of the burr to control the diameter of the holes, from tiny pinpricks to larger openings, depending on your design. Durability. Unlike traditional carving knives, which can dull quickly when cutting through thick pumpkin flesh, carbide burrs maintain their sharpness, ensuring consistent results throughout your project. Enhanced glow effect. By drilling patterns of holes, you allow light from a candle, LED, or other light source to shine through the pumpkin skin in unique and beautiful ways. This creates a mesmerizing starry or perforated effect that enhances the pumpkin's glow, making it a standout piece for Halloween displays. Step-by-step guide to drilling decorative holes with carbide burrs. Here's how to use small, round carbide burrs to create stunning decorative hole patterns on your Halloween pumpkin. Gather your tools and materials. Carbide burr tool. Use a rotary tool, like a Dremel or similar, fitted with a small, round carbide burr, ball-shaped, typically 1/8 to 1/4 in diameter for fine details. Pumpkin. Choose a firm, medium-sized pumpkin with a smooth, even surface for easier drilling. Marker or stencil. To map out your design, e.g., stars, swirls, or geometric patterns. Safety gear. Wear safety glasses and a dust mask to protect against pumpkin debris. Light source. A candle, battery-operated tea light, or LED light to place inside the pumpkin for the glowing effect. Cleaning tools. A spoon or scoop to remove pumpkin guts and a damp cloth to wipe the surface. Prepare the pumpkin. Clean and gut the pumpkin. Cut a hole in the top or bottom of the pumpkin to access the interior. Scoop out the seeds and stringy pulp, and scrape the inner walls to create a smooth surface. This ensures even lighting and makes drilling easier. Plan your design. Sketch your pattern directly onto the pumpkin's skin with a washable marker, or use a stencil for more complex designs like constellations, polka dots, or abstract swirls. For a starry effect, mark small dots in a scattered or organized pattern. For a perforated effect, create a grid or repeating shapes. Set up your rotary tool. Attach a small, round carbide burr to your rotary tool. A ball-shaped burr is ideal for creating clean, circular holes. Adjust the speed of the rotary tool to a medium setting, around 10,000 to 15,000 RPM, to maintain control and avoid overheating the pumpkin's flesh. Test the burr on a scrap piece of pumpkin or another soft material to get a feel for the tool's cutting action. Drill the decorative holes. Start small. Hold the rotary tool like a pencil and gently press the carbide burr against the marked spots on the pumpkin's skin. Apply light, consistent pressure to drill through the pumpkin's flesh. Start with small holes, e.g. 1/8 diameter, for a delicate, starry effect. Vary hole sizes. For added visual interest, use different sizes of round carbide burrs to create a mix of small and larger holes. This can mimic a night sky with stars of varying brightness, or add depth to a perforated pattern. Work in sections. Drill in small sections, pausing to wipe away pumpkin debris with a damp cloth. This keeps your workspace clean and ensures you can see your design clearly. Create patterns. Follow your marked design to drill holes in a pattern, such as a constellation, spiral, or grid. For a starry effect, scatter holes randomly or cluster them to resemble a galaxy. For a perforated effect, Drill holes in a repeating pattern, like rows or waves. Check the glow effect. Periodically place a light source, e.g., a tea light or LED, inside the pumpkin, and turn off the room's lights to check how the holes look when illuminated. Adjust the size or number of holes as needed to achieve the desired glow. The light will shine through the holes, creating a sparkling or glowing effect that enhances the pumpkin's appearance. Thin areas of the pumpkin's skin may also glow faintly, adding to the overall effect. Clean and finish. Once you're satisfied with the pattern, wipe the pumpkin's surface to remove any marker lines or debris. If desired, carve additional features, like eyes or a mouth, using traditional carving tools or other carbide burr shapes to complement the drilled holes. Place the light source inside the pumpkin and secure the lid or base. Tips for best results. Choose the right pumpkin. A pumpkin with thinner walls, but still firm, will be easier to drill through and will allow more light to pass through the holes. Experiment with patterns. Try different designs, such as a crescent moon made of small holes, a swirling galaxy, or a geometric lattice. The small round carbide burrs give you the flexibility to get creative. Safety. First, always work in a well-ventilated area, wear protective gear, and keep your hands steady to avoid slipping with the rotary tool. Preserve your pumpkin. To extend the life of your carved pumpkin, coat the cut edges with petroleum jelly or store it in a cool place when not on display. Why this technique stands out. Using small round carbide burrs to drill decorative holes transforms a traditional jack-o'-lantern into a work of art. The starry or perforated effect creates a magical glow that captivates viewers, making your pumpkin a centerpiece for Halloween parties, porch displays, or spooky setups. The precision of carbide burrs allows you to achieve professional-looking results that are difficult to replicate with standard carving tools, and the durability of the burrs ensures you can work on multiple pumpkins without losing cutting efficiency. Call to action. If you're excited to try this technique or want more pumpkin carving tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel for weekly tutorials on using carbide burr tools for creative projects. We'd love to hear your thoughts and see your carved pumpkins. Leave a comment below with your favorite Halloween designs or questions about using carbide burrs. Let's make this Halloween the spookiest and most creative yet. Happy carving, and don't forget to share your glowing masterpieces with us.